Howdy. Random vlog time. Outdoors for a change of pace. Because why not? In a somewhat public place, even. I can already imagine the passers-by just looking at me all weird, wondering why I'm talking to myself. Not even in my native language. But anyway, fuck if I care. So, topic of today's random vlog basically regards outdated software, outdated hardware. I was researching old versions of Microsoft Visual Studio last night, following a somewhat random thought I had about this, like we've seen somewhat I've had an interest lately in developing games for older systems, older hardware and software, stuff like the Commodore 64, Amiga computers, the game consoles of the 90s, like, well, 80s, 90s, like the NES, Sega Genesis, Master System, etc. And even DOS. There's a lot of DOS games in development in the year of our Lord 2021. But, and here's the thing I was wondering, is anyone making a game on an actual computer from around the turn of the millennium using software, using development tools from that same era? Because nobody's doing that at the moment, as far as I know. And it just seems like a pretty logical choice to me, seeing as there's been this, guess you could call it a resurgence of sorts in, developing games for older hardware. But, to the best of my knowledge, no one, I repeat, no one, is developing a game on something like a Windows 98 or Windows XP PC using something like Microsoft Visual Studio 6.0 or some shit. Which is sort of weird. Because I'd imagine there's interest in doing that sort of thing. I know I'm interested in it because I love all things retro. The PlayStation, old PC games. Hell, fucking Doom is one of my favorite video games of all time. A game from 1993. And obviously Unreal from 1998. Just imagine for a moment. Someone developing a game for an older Windows-based operating system. It's it's interesting. And I'm definitely might be interested in tackling that myself. But that's a future concern. Something like 5 years from now. Because I'm by no means an expert programmer yet. I'd need to learn something like C or C++, gain some experience in working with those programming languages before I tackle such a project. But could be interesting. But yep. Guess I'd best conclude this random vlog and head back to my apartment because people are starting to look at me weird. Right, yeah. Bye.